How to fix PS4 Error NW-31254-5. Here are some tips that would help you fix PS4 Error NW-31254-5. First of all, see how the Suggested Actions button can help you resolve NW-31254-5 error. 1. Restart your PlayStation 4 system, this helps refresh your local network connection. 2. Go to Settings Network Choose and then launch the Test Internet Connection option. 3. If you selected Manual under IP address settings or DNS settings when you set the internet connection for your PlayStation 4, make sure that the primary DNS and secondary DNS are set correctly. In other cases, your console might not have obtained an IP address through some DNS server, or the DNS settings you're using may have been changed without any alert. Please contact your ISP for further assistance. And you may also try a different one yourself on the web.